Again, finding the inverse, we're going to make this x equals 1 over y plus 6 minus 2. So, first easy step is to add that 2 over to your other side. So x plus 2 equals 1 over y plus 6. Okay, so we're still going to multiply by the denominator to get rid of this fraction, but the whole denominator has more than one term in it. So we're just going to multiply both sides by y plus 6. And on the right-hand side then, that will leave you with just 1, because these guys will cancel. And on that left-hand side, for right now, we're just going to leave it as y plus 6 times x plus 2. Because if we distribute that in, we would end up with 2 y's, and right now we only have 1, so that makes our situation worse. So if these two things are being multiplied together, y plus 6 and x plus 2, we can actually just divide by that entire factor, x plus 2, to move it off that left-hand side, leaving us with y plus 6 now equal to 1 over x plus 2. And then what will be your last step to get y by itself? Subtract your x over, or subtract your 6 over. So what you had, 1 over x plus 2 minus 6. We started with f of x, so I'll write this as f negative 1 of x. So sometimes it's not beneficial to distribute that in there, because if you're trying to isolate y or solve for y, you don't want to distribute that in there and then end up with 2 y's if you currently only have 1. That would make your situation worse. So look at another fraction over here on the right. F of x equals 2 over x plus 3. So again, switch it up, make it x equals 2 over y plus 3. And we'll multiply both sides by that denominator of y plus 3. So on the right, we'll be left with just 2. And on the left-hand side, same thing again. We're just going to divide. Well, we'll write it out here first. Y plus 3 times x. We're not going to distribute those together. We're just going to divide by x. So y plus 3 equals 2 over x. The last thing to solve for your y is going to be to subtract that 3 over to the other side. So y equals 2 over x minus 3. And again, we'll write it in inverse notation. So f of negative 1 of x equals 2 over x minus 3. Switch your x and y, solve for y. So you just have to know your algebra rules and know how to get that y variable by itself.